Before we start, why won't you go to the comment section and comment down below any recipes you would like to see in my channel, and we will try our best to make them in the next episodes. Today, we will make Alcapone donuts a la JCO. These donuts are soft and glazed with white chocolate and topped with toasted almond flakes. Are you ready? Let's get started! For the donuts, we will need 2 3/4 cups of bread flour plus more if needed, 1 cup of warm fresh milk, 1/8 cup of white sugar, 1 large egg at room temperature, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, half teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature. For the glaze and toppings, we will need 250 grams of white chocolate chips, almond flakes, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose cream or heavy cream, plus more if needed. Combine together the flour, sugar, salt, and instant yeast. In a stand mixer, add the warm fresh milk, egg, and the dry ingredients. Knead this for about 8 minutes. While kneading, add the butter, after kneading, shape it into a ball and transfer it into a bowl greased with oil. And cover it with tea towel and let this rest for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Once it has doubled in size, transfer it into a work surface. Punch to release air bubbles. Then, cut it in half. Shape it into a log. And divide it into 6 portions. Then, shape each portion into a ball. Transfer it into parchment paper and flatten it using your palm. Repeat the procedure with the remaining dough. Now, make a hole in the center of each dough. You can also use a donut cutter if you have one, or you can just use your hands to make a hole. Then, cover these with tea towel and let it rest for about 15 minutes. And while our dough are resting, heat the oil in a pan over low heat until it becomes hot. And once hot, fry the donuts until it becomes golden brown. And once it's golden brown, remove it from the pan and transfer it into a wire rack to drain. In a pan over low heat, toast the almond flakes. Once the almond flakes are toasted, set this aside. For the glaze, put the white chocolate and cream in a double boiler and let it melt. If your glaze is too thick and consistency becomes funny, just continue mixing and add a bit of cream, about a tablespoon at a time, until the right thick consistency is achieved. Now, dip the donut into the glaze. And dip it into the toasted almond flakes. Or you can also sprinkle the almond flakes on top of the donuts. And here's our finished product! These donuts are soft and so good. I hope you give this a try. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like as it helps the channel a lot. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!